Ano may class? Ano may class? Sana all. Study for? Diba, mana naman yung... Hello? Hello, Kuya Akashi. Diba, mana naman yung class? Good morning. Graduate na mi. Oh, I see. Mag-graduate na ko. Hindi ka May 30. And then I'm out here. I'm gonna go to Davao, okay? Hello, Ate Jen. You can come up if you want, Ate Jen. Ah! Lisuda po ano, uy. Should I get the... For your dreams, you go. For I can never do that. I'm too weak for that shit. I'm too weak for that shit. I'm just gonna finish school without any failing grades. Loudest like Brent Manalo. Ow. Huh? You guys know Brent Manalo? You guys know him or no? Because you can ask me any questions. Mag-entertain ko questions karon. Tapos dili pa ako busy. Tapos later on, mabusy ko until June, busy ko. I mean, I'm always busy naman. Who's watching? Oh, I see. How's my kilo? And I feel like ako it's not pantay. Is it pantay or no? Guys, are you not asking me any questions? Sige na, kaya I'm bored. I don't have anyone to talk to. There's nobody here. Oh, it's just me, myself, and I. Magpabugnaw. Hi, baby. Wala na may class? What's your grade ni mo? Wow. Ito na ka mag-big boy. ka? Magdula ka? Manakag-lunch. Skibidi toilet diri nga bata. Skibidi toilet man din. Hi! Hi, T! What are you doing dyan sa Pikas nga Coblab? I'm doing ganda-gandahan here because there's no one. I mean, just now lang naabot ang anak ni ma'am. But, kami lang dua. Skibidi toilet daw.
No, kay ma. Lalo na sa tester sa venue.
Di na lang ta kagapabugnaw. Wala lain tao diri. Ako ra, wala si ma'am. Ay naman pa rin mga friends day diya. You can bond with them kahapit na pod. But I feel like akong kila dili pantay. I'm gonna go na guys. Bye-bye. I'm gonna put, ano sabi? Lip gloss. Ay, lip oil. Lip oil. May skibidi toilet dito na bata.
Skibidi toilet. The iPad kid is watching ano. He's watching a show. I don't know what show. He's watching her. He's on the computer. Computer. Pasmuhan na ko. Ano yung kaon? Pasmo na ni. I have items. Do I have items? This is my ano guys. This is my skin without any makeup on. Just the lashes and the like real saw naman ni kanina without any. This is how I look like without any makeup on that I put whenever I go out. This right here, this guy is killing me. Are you gonna ask questions or no?
Wala mag-asa question eh. Ano lang po. Just gonna go. Scroll na lang po sa TikTok. Wait, I don't wanna put any makeup on. I am kapoy. I don't wanna put makeup on. When na lang go. Test tube.
final span. Bye-bye, guys.